Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our analysis of Nifty 50. So Nifty again had a bad day in office today. Most of the indices went down drastically. Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank almost equally by third quarter of a percentage point. And Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap, they also went down quite drastically, but lesser than the extent of Nifty 50. Nifty Bank, which was holding fort for some days, is also going down, right? And if we look at the US markets, again, the inflationary expectations are high, and therefore the interest rates are still going to be raised more. This is because the interest rates are being raised, and the expected return on in fact, the returns on the bonds have increased so much that money is going out of the markets and towards the bond market in US. So the foreign institute investors are flowing out of India right now. They are rebalancing their portfolios given the new circumstances, right, that are developing. So that's a gloomy scenario that we have right now, right? Yesterday's gains have most likely been abolished in these two sessions in today's session, right? So we, on a 15-minute chart, we the first 15 minutes, this candle that you can see, it made it clear that what kind of a day it was going to be. And the Nifty did face some resistance at 17,350, but later when it started moving downwards, it didn't have to face any big hurdle, right? So yeah, that is at a 15-minute chart. Now let's look at an hourly chart. On an hourly chart, again, it is pretty clear. Yesterday's gains, were easily abolished, demolished, whatever you want to call it, and Nifty will continue. It continued to come down further. Let's go on a daily chart and see how it is happening. So on a daily chart, you can see the red candle is the bullish, so the bearish candle is pretty strong, and the stocks are the Nifty 50 is continuing its journey downwards. Now for tomorrow, it is we are again our trends, our guiding lines stay between 17,450 and 17,250. So this is the range in which Nifty will be trading, right? And since Nifty closed at 17,318, this one 17,354 will again act as a resistance point for the stocks to go up, right? So if the market stays range bound, the stocks will go between 17,000, 17,250 and 17,350. If the Nifty 50 prices go above 17,350, so the next stop is at 17,450. So that's all, folks. That is all from our side. Tread with caution. There's not much to be expected from Nifty right now, given the volatile situation in the U.S. markets. In fact, in all other markets, be it Europe or Japan or everywhere, the rate hike is being naturally expected because of the increased inflation rates. All right. Thank you. Thank you for joining us.